Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Today we're back on the Talbot Express, Harley's Talbot Express. Come on, I'll show you what we're doing. Now you may have recalled from another video, we painted all the side of this, a couple of coats, probably needs another. We're going to paint that Fiamma as well, but I'm on the cab today. So I've just rubbed all this down, all the filler and stuff. It's all been rust treated. So I'm going to I'm going to do underneath there, all around there, the door, this wing, bonnet, around to that corner. I might get this bit done as well, but I need to clean all that off beforehand. Obviously this has been repaired and stuff. So that's what we're doing while the sun's out. Lovely. What we're using, suitable for marine vehicle, metal, wood, concrete, floors, decking, everything. You put this on absolutely everything. It's brilliant stuff. About 65 quid a gallon. Well, that's one coat. Might get a second one on there actually before it gets dark, which would be handy. And I don't know whether watched the police cars and sat down there for about an hour, maybe more longer. They've gone now. I don't know whether they were seeing what I was up to or what, but who knows. Well, that's two coats. It's getting a bit too cold for the paint now, so I'm going to leave that for today. It's going to need another, I would think. It's looking much better though. And then we'll tackle this side next time. And the back. Yeah. I thought I'd forgotten that I'd done the back then, but I haven't done the back. I filled it all, repaired it and stuff. But this side's done. Bingo mess. Alright, now we're inside the van. Got a couple of jobs to do in here. Haven't been in here for a while, have you? This is Hope, Harley's Talbot Express. So I've got to put a master fuse on one of her solar MPPTs, and I've got to put this up, which is a curtain rail to go round the cab area, so she can do like we do and put curtains around to keep it warmer. Oh, it's now 3 o'clock in the morning and the water pump was waking me up because it kept repressurising because we've got another water leak on the Bobil van's kit. And it's the only part of the Bobil van's kit that I haven't had to replace. So I'm just getting my head under there. It's the water pump that pumps the water to the heat exchange is leaking. There you go. It's leaking water. And it's soaking wet out here. Brilliant. Right, so basically this pipe here going into the top of this pump, which pumps the water around the heat exchange there, is leaking because these clips here that hold the pipe on are rubbish, and I can actually take that off with my fingers. So I'm going to get a Jubilee clip, a proper one, so I can put that on there a bit tighter. The whole pipe just spins around on there. Absolute crap. And on here as well, and they're on there as well. Oh, it's just, honestly, this Bobil van stuff is just absolute rubbish. From one Talbot to another Talbot. Over here finishing Danny Boy's. Just finishing his back end. I'm tending to Danny Boy's back end. The rest of the van's looking pretty good. Obviously we haven't done the cab yet. He hasn't decided what colour or what he's doing with that. Yeah. Oh, winter came fast, didn't it? Wasn't that long ago. It was flipping heat waves and glorious sunshine. It's actually snowing, but it's not laying because we're in the south. So I'm just warming the old girl up. Got to go get some water because we had that massive water leak. We've now run out of water ahead of time. I thought there was enough, but there's not. So that's costing me more money. But I'm going to head down to Spotless Water and fill up. I've ordered some new clips, ones that you can actually tighten up rather than crappy ones, so I can get a better fix on there. It's not leaking at the moment, but you know, with the van being a van and it like dropping around all over the place when you drive, it will come loose again. It's just another example of rubbish quality parts. I'm not going to keep going on about it because I've gone on about Bobil vans enough, but that's what's happening with that. So they should be arriving today, and Harley's still got a water leak as well. We need to fix up all some parts for her, and we're going to have to hit a campsite, I'm afraid. We've been 3.5 weeks we've been off grid, and we're literally down to 10% on the house battery. The EcoFlow is doing a lot of the work. Going to go off to the EV charger tonight, and use the EcoFlow tonight, and do the same again. What day are we? Wednesday. Do the same again Thursday, and then Friday we're going to get on the campsite and charge everything up. So that would be literally 4 weeks off grid. So not too bad. You know what I mean? It's been a bit of a struggle, but we'll get there. We've obviously got the new premises coming up. We're still living full time in a van. It's not somewhere we can live, but it's a studio stroke workshop area, blah blah blah, and I'm really looking forward to that. And also, and I will be doing a separate video on this for my other channel, but I will be mentioning it in this channel as well. I'm starting up my old charity. I used to run a charity called Guitars for All, where we used to donate guitars to people that needed guitars, and that would involve flood victims. We sent a guitar to America, where somebody lost everything in a flood, and he was a musician and had no money, couldn't replace it, and it's through donations, and we sent him a brand new guitar. We sent another guitar again in America, in Texas, to an old people's home, and there was a guy there. He was suffering with loneliness and stuff like that, and wanted to learn guitar, so we had a guitar sent to him. As well as other things, we've done stuff in this country as well, and people that have had to sell their guitars to pay the rent, or they're just on bad times, or just don't have enough money to afford an instrument but want to play, of all ages. There's lots of different circumstances, and it's a non-profit relying solely on people's generosity. People used to donate guitars to me, broken guitars, whatever. It could just be bits of guitars, and I can make guitars that are usable, that people can use, as well as money and stuff like that as well. And I used to do video updates and that kind of thing. But there's a Facebook page, which is, I never took down actually. I had to stop doing it because of the lockdowns and stuff like that. It wasn't working out. But now I'm back with, I wouldn't say I've got more time, I'm busy as ever, but now I'm not gigging full time. I want to put some effort back into that, as well as buying and selling and guitars for my own profit as well, but that's separate to that. So hope that makes sense. Anyway, there's a link in the description for the Facebook page. Come and check it out, and I will periodically put videos up about that and what we're doing, and update people. If anybody wants to donate, there's no way to donate money at the moment, so don't worry about that. I will probably set something up similar to what I used to do. I used to do live streams, and people would donate through there, and fundraising, GoFundMe, stuff like that, depending on the situation. We do, like, somebody would have a situation, we do a campaign, and we do that, get that sorted. But if anybody's got any like guitar parts, broken guitars they don't want anymore, it doesn't matter what the quality is, we can use it. Anyway, so all that said and done, I'm gonna go get some water, and we'll see you in the next episode. So God bless you, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I can't speak, it's too cold. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, with all that good stuff. Thank you to all the people that have already, and we'll see you in the next one. Here's the jingle.
We'll ride these roads forever, side by side we'll chase the sweetest moments whispered in our little space. With laughter and loving every turn we take, this thing called amazing race, no chance we'll break.